Hi everyone, so I'm going to make another file here which I already made. It's called Concatenation.js, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting up some sort of sentence structure, but I'll use concatenation this time and then make sure I display it on the screen, but I'll also use good documentation as well using multiline and single line comments as needed. So let me set up this function first. So what I could do here is I can set up all of the constants at the top, which I'll have the name, my name, and then I'll say welcome to this page. And because we're using concatenation, I can use the regular double quote or single quote quotations, and then I can put the plus sign and then call that variable name, and then that will be concatenation whenever you use that plus operator right there. And what I'll do is I'll also console log the message, and then inside this return here I'm going to just call that message as well so we could display it on screen for us to see. So let's actually test this out right now. So as you can see right here, we got the message, welcome to this page, Monica. And then in the console log, you can see it says, welcome to this page, Monica. So we can see that this using concatenation does work as well whenever we want to return these types of sentences. But also when we do this, we do want to have good documentation as well. So I'm going to be providing a multi-line comment at the top, which will explain this. I'll say it's a multi-line comment. And what we can do is we can say at author, and I'll put my name, and then we can say version. I'll say this is version 1.0. And then I'll add a at description. It'll say a function that contains example on how to set up a sentence using concatenation. And then what it will return, it will return a message or something like that. So now we can see that it is clearly labeled. You don't have to put this message up here. It's just for you to know that this is a multi-line comment. But you can see that we're seeing who the author is, what version number we're at, any type of description describing this entire function, and what exactly is trying to be returned based on this function. And maybe we also want to add a single line comment. We could say the variables for this function or something like that. It's just something that you want to describe, so when someone else comes to your page, they know exactly what this file does, and making sure there's no other questions that need to be asked because they can just directly use it when they see it and read all the different comments.